Today's topic is exponent and powers. You know, mass of the earth is 597, after that 22 zeros of kg. So how will you pronounce this? So that we can say this one 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Because it was very large number, we can tell 5.97 into 10 power 24. What is this? This is called base. 24 is exponent. So, suppose a to the power of 2 means a we have to multiply 2 times. So, a power minus 3 means 1 divided by a power 3. That means 1 divided by a we have to multiply in denominator 3 times. That's why the power it is there in negative sign. Here positive sign, so in numerator only we have to multiply 2 times. Here we have minus 3, so in denominator, when you take denominator it will become positive. So 1 divided by 3 times we have to multiply in denominator a. Now we have the exponent of rules. Suppose if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Same base we have, exponent we have m and n. So, a to the power of m minus n is first rule. Second rule is a to the power of m, the whole power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. We have to multiply together to the power. Then a power m into b power m. We have bases different, exponent is same. Then we can write a, b, the whole power m. The next exponent is a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Then a by b, the whole to the power of m. Then anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Suppose a power 0 is 1. Or 10 to the power of 0 is 1, or 100 to the power of 0 also is 1. So, anything to the power of 0 is called 1. Suppose 10 to the power of 1 is same 10 only. A to the power of 1 is a. Because only one time we are multiplying this base, so the same number will get. So, anything to the power of 0 is called 1. Exercise 2.1, first main is evaluate. In this first question is 3 to the power of minus 2. So, we have here power is as in minus. So, 1 divided by 3 to the power of 2. Now, the power become here it is plus because 1 divided by this is as denominator 3 we written. So, 1 divided by the value of 3 square is 3 into 3. So, 1 divided by 3 3s are 9. So, our value is 1 by 9. Same like that, do the second question as your homework. Third, the power of minus 5. So, we can write now 1 divided by 1 by 2 to the power of positive 5. Because it is now minus 5. So, when we write as denominator, it will come plus 5. So, 1 divided by 1 to the power of 2 into 1 power 2, 5 times we have to multiply the same thing. Now, 1 divided by, here 1 into 1, everything 1 only. So, here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So, this is 1 by 1 also same 1. Here we have denominator. This denominator we can write as numerator like this. Because 1 by 32 is denominator. So, when we multiply 32 by 1. So 1 into 32, 32 only. 32 by 1, 32 only our answer. Second main, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. First question, minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. We know the formula of a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So we can write this minus 4 to the power of 5 whole divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. We have same base, so minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8. So now we can write this minus 4 to the power of minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So here 1 divided by minus 4 to the power of 3 we can write. Second question, 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3 whole square they given. So we can write as 1 square divided by 2 power 3 the whole square. So this square is common for numerator and denominator. So numerator and denominator. 1 square means 1 into 1 also will get 1 only. Then 2 to the power of 3. The whole square is 2 3s are 6 we can write. Because a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So here 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2 3s are 6 is our answer. Remaining sums is your homework. Third main is find the value of 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. Here anything to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Then 4 to the power of minus 1 we can write 1 divided by 4 to the power of 1. Otherwise 4 also can write. Then 2 square is 2 into 2 also or 2 to the power of 2 also can write. So this is, now this is whole number, but 1 by 1 also is 1 only. So take LCM of this two number. 1 and 4 our LCM is 4. Then cross multiply 1 4s are 4 plus 1 into 1 1 into 2 to the power of 2. So here 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 we can write as 2 to the power of square because 2 into 2 only 2 power square. So 2 into 2 will get 4. So 4 we can write as 2 to the power of 2. That's what I have written here. Here already we have 2 to the power of 2. So anything we have numerator and denominator it will get cancelled. So our answer is 5. Second one is 2 to the power of minus 1 into 4 to the power of minus 1 whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. Here this one we can write 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 4. The whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. So this can write in numerator. Here 1 into 1 1. Here 2 into 4 8 we can write. So this is as denominator. So we can write as numerator this one 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 8 into this is in denominator. When we take to numerator 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 will become plus 2. Now 1 by 8 2 to the power of 2 is 2 into 2 4. So this 4 we can write here. Now 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So our answer is 1 into 1 1 divided by 2. This is what our answer. Remaining sums do as homework. Fourth main, evaluate. First one 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. We'll change now this into numerator, this one as denominator. So 2 to the power of 4 into 5 power 3 divided by here 8 to the power of 1, positive 1. So Here 2 to the power of 4 divided by this 8 can divide by second table. 4 2s are 8, again 2 2s are 4. So again this one 2 1s are 2. So 1 2 3, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 into 5 to the power of 3 we have. So now 2 power 4 and 2 power 3 formula is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n formula we can use for this too. So 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 into 5 power 3. So we have here 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 is 1 into 5 cube. So here 2 power 1 is 2 only. 2 into 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So it is 125. Now 125 into 2 is 2 5s are 10. Carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 2s are 2. So 250 is answer. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Now we have to find the m value. So here 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 equal to 5 power 5. So we can write this as a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 5 power m minus of this minus 3 can write is equal to 5 power 5. When we have base is equal, then power should be equal for both the side. Therefore, m minus into minus plus 3 equal to 5. So m equal to 5. This plus 3 will transfer to right hand side as minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Our m value is 2.